been spending a lot of time here and taking questions with some of the folks, and I don't think we have any questions on our list here, do we? Okay, well, we're just going to have a conversation then with Dr. Jerome Williams. Good morning.
Good, good. We're posting on Facebook asking folks to give us questions and videos. We've gotten nothing so far, but in the future, hopefully our Facebook friends will send us some questions and videos.
I see you're all in your colors today.
Oh, yes.
I'm at you.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. It's that time of year when we have the Magic City Classic.
Yeah. All right, so what are you seeing now? This time of the year as we start getting into the fall and the winter months, are there certain things we need to think about when it comes to our pets that are yearly?
We're having a unusually large number of GI cases, both upper and lower, vomiting and diarrhea. Why, I don't know, but we're seeing more than normal. The other thing we're seeing is allergies. We're seeing, and I think it may be due to the changing weather, when folks are turning on the heat, and there may be dust mites, other things in that ventilation system that is creating the problem.
Because animals, they have allergy issues that are the same way as we do.
Yeah, absolutely. So I suspect that may be the cause of it. I'm not absolutely certain, but those are the things we're seeing most often now.
So if you are seeing your pet maybe coughing or doing those type of things, what's the first thing you should do?
Well, if it's something that can be treated easily, use some of the same medication we use on ourselves. If it's allergy, Benadryl may work. You give it at the dosage of 1 milligram per pound. You can do that.
So Benadryl, just like you give your child.
Exactly. And you can give that 2 or 3 times a day. For scratching as well, it may work. The other thing that we need to do is this time of year is clean out our ducts and change our filters. As we change season and go from cool to warm, then I think it may give the dust mites and the other things in that system a chance to create a problem for us.
So if we aren't doing it for ourselves, then that can remind us to do that for our pets, and it helps us too.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we definitely want to do that, for sure. And as we end the normal typical flea season, we also want to be certain that we have treated our yard and our homes sufficiently for the fleas.
So do you do that in the wintertime?
Yes, we're going into the winter because they will go into a hibernation state, and the best we can do to get rid of them before the end, the better off we are.
So is that like if you have a person that does your regular lawn maintenance, taking care of the pest?
Right.
Do they do that kind of stuff for fleas?
Will. And if you have a exterminating contract, make certain that it's covered, and if so, ask them to do that for your home as well as your yard.
Because then when spring comes back around,
we'll have some tremendous problems again.
Because it's not just irritating and not just nasty if it gets in your house, but it really can be a problem for the pet if it's ongoing, right?
Yes, and we've had a number of severe flea cases lately as well.
When you say severe, what do you mean?
They are so heavily infesting the animal that it's causing anemia. If you look at the skin, it's sort of pale or white.
Oh my gosh.
And over the entire surface of the animal, there are so many fleas that anywhere you touch, you'll touch a flea.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah. But those are the kind of things we ought to do this time of year and get ready for the winter months.
Okay.
We're approaching that.
All right. Well, you enjoy the classic weekend.
Absolutely.
All right. And it's good to see you.
Go Bulldogs.
Yeah, I'll say he can't help it.